Good evening, everyone. I just wanted to come on. We're going to start showcasing some of the templates and systems that we have that are coded off of price action. And this is the Renko system. It works very well. Right now, I am on NASDAQ. As you can see, it is 6:21, which is Monday. This is the profits that I've made for today. I did light trading today. I really don't like trading on Mondays. I like to let the market settle a little bit and really get into trading Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, but it's all a personal preference. But anyway, I wanted to explain the Renko. Like I said, I'm on NASDAQ right now. It's going to have something that's going to mimic the RSI, which is below, right? It's going to go over the overbought, oversold concept. When the green line has touched the top, then you know that you need to go into a sell, just like RSI or stochastic. And then when it's at the bottom, of course, you're going to do a buy, okay? We do have what we call the butterflies. It's going to indicate when you need to get into the buy. Anytime you see a circle, that's going to alert you when you need to jump into the trade, okay? So just kind of think along the lines of Bollinger Bands, but these are way more effective. They're based on Fibonacci and supply and demand, okay? So when you see the circle, you're going to do a buy, of course, as you've seen here. This is the alert. Indicators are tools to assist you. They alert you when it's time to get in the market, okay? Some people are like, oh, does it repaint? The market moves, okay? Price moves. Price action moves up and down. So be aware. If your indicator does not move a tad bit, that means it's coded wrong. I mean, the market moves up and down. It's supposed to move with the market. So of course, and if it moves a little bit, who cares? Do pending orders, okay? So this is a buy, right? When you see that, as you can see, this trade went all the way up, okay? Went to the top. Now it's time for a sell all the way down. My target is the middle line, the middle of the Renko, and it's going to hit it every time. For example, alert came up, buy, and these will come true to scale, true to the market, okay? So you do a buy, boom, middle, hit, take profit right there. Sell, middle, hit, take profit. You probably had to, yeah, you did. You had to wait a little bit. That looks like Asian session anyway. That wasn't London session, so that's why it took that long. But you hit take profit here, did a buy, patience, take profit is middle where this arrow's crossing. Butterfly did a sell, take profit. We hit it somewhere along here, right here, did a quick pullback, little retest right there, and it's going to come down. These trades go like this, dot to dot, always. Let's look at another pair. Let's look at USD JPY. I'm going to pull over another pair. It's USD JPY. What's it doing here? I'm not getting into any trades until I see a circle or our butterfly or indication, okay? So right here, it didn't come up here because I'm noticing it didn't touch the bottom of the Renko, which would be the resistance. And it goes by support and resistance, okay? So up here, that was support, but up here, right, you do a sell, take profit, middle line. So you hit the take profit right there. Right here, I do a buy, take profit. I mean, this works every single time. I mean, that's how I did that for today. If I traded a little bit more, probably would have made more money, but I didn't want to do too much. This is gold. As you can see, I'm in a buy for gold. These are my two buys, the green lines that you see. I'm already in profit. Those are trades that are running now. My take profit is here. Of course, it's going to hit it. It'll hit it tonight. Boom. And I'm also going along with the RSI, which is at the bottom, okay? But let's try, let's do it again, okay? So you see the alert here. Did a sell, take profit, middle line. I'm doing my buy here. I wouldn't have taken a buy here because I'm also looking at RSI. I mean, it's more things you have to look at. So you don't just go by these. Look at the RSI. Why would you take that trade? Well, this is not the RSI, but I'm using it as if it was one. It's not at the bottom. Why would you take this? That would be dumb on your behalf. Okay, it's at the below the Bollinger Bands, but I'm also looking at candle and price action. That's not touch. I need them touching the lines. They're not doing it. So why would you take that? That was a bogus trade. So yeah, if you would have took a buy, you would have lost. It didn't cross the middle line, but nobody should take that. Of course, you take this one. Why am I taking this? Look at my RSI. It's touching. It's at the very, very bottom. Buy low, sell high, right? So of course I would do that. I'm taking it to the middle line and I'll hit take profit there. So that's just a little bit of how it works. This is an older method of trading. Very, very, very profitable. Get into the trade, sell, take profit, middle line. I mean, this is just easy, simplified trading. It's already coded for you. I mean, this is the best right here. So this is the Renko. This is the Renko 2.5. So just want to let you guys know about that. A lot of trading systems out there. It's just all about what you like, what's comfortable for you, what allows you to withdraw. I tell people all the time, miss plenty of ways to trade. I mean, stop letting people tell you what works best and what's the best. I mean, it's all about you. What do you like? What works for you, right? Some people don't even like candlesticks. They like line charts. I mean, it's just about what you like. Indicators work. You just have to know how to use them, right? And they have to be coded correctly. And you have to know how to use them. They are alerts, just like Google Maps, okay? If you're riding on the street, you go to Google Maps and it helps you. It assists you. That's all these things are doing, okay? But this Renko is a beast. So I'll leave some information down below if you want to try it out. Contact us, of course. If you need signals, join our free group. Test out our signals. See how you like it. If you love them, go to VIP. We're 96% in our free group and 95.8 in our VIP right now. That's been for the last 3 months. So definitely let us know. All right. Thanks. Bye.